looks like it needs it, and well, after that class, it needs it. I bought this when I bought the mat. It's the Manduka Yoga Mat Wash and Refresh in the scent Lavender. They also sell it on Amazon. Basically, we spray. And this mat like really does well at wicking the sweat off. I guarantee you I'm gonna come home and there'll be Cheyenne hair on it because she can't help but lay on things that do not belong to her. But welcome friends to another Saturday video in my life. We are headed off to our usual. We'll go to Dunkin', we'll go to Ross, we'll go to TJ Maxx, and I'm thinking for lunch we will do Chick-fil-A because their mac and cheese, their chicken, and their lemonade together sounds good. Hi, I have the mobile order for Monica. Okay, you can go ahead. Thank you. Let us all be sad because the mobile app says they don't have croissants. So we got the medium vanilla frosted donut signature latte. A lot to handle. I just ordered it on the app, but I think if you want to order it, it's harder at the window. I always forget that I prefer drinks like this without the sprinkles, because once the sprinkles get soggy, then it gets like stuck in the straw, and that is not a good experience to have. So I ended up getting a thing of hash browns and a thing of bacon, but it tipped upside down, unfortunately. So now all my hash browns and all my bacon are stuck together, which is fine. I mean, I'm not a picky person, but I also prefer to eat my bacon first. Straight to the athletics section I go. Wow, that's cute. It is suddenly very hot and very humid. So, yay Ross, found a couple of good things. I love, 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 love this print. I wish it didn't have that little stripe because it's Tommy Hilfiger, but you know, that's the brand. They gotta show it off. So that was $9.99. I got these cute little shorts for $5.99. It's the Athletica Couture brand. And then I have a swimsuit that I think this will match really nicely. It was just a random one piece. It's a Billabong Wrangler swimsuit bottom, and it was $4.99. It's kind of just a cute little lace. And then I love a good skirt. I don't have one in this color, and it's Free People Movement. It has pockets. Wonderful. $6.99. I could not believe it. It's actually pretty long too, so we'll have to check it out, and it might be Walmart appropriate length. You never know. So we're gonna go into TJ Maxx, hoping for more good finds. So crazy that Juicy Couture is back because that was so big when I was in middle school. You never see the Loungefly bags, but $60. They've got Olaf, Hercules, Minnie, and Kanto. Cute. I love all these fun mirrors, and these are so cool too. They're super heavy though. Okay, waiting in the Chick-fil-A line, got my 8-piece grilled chicken, my mac and cheese, and my lemonade. And at TJ Maxx, I got one thing, this beautiful planter. Do I know what I'm putting in it? No, that'll be a tomorrow problem. I think I'm gonna try to do some sort of herb and keep it on the counter because I want it to be an indoor pot, and I think if you do herbs, they can go year round, even in Wisconsin where the weather is miserable, 8 months of the year. there birdies over there? Oh no, birdies in your area? I know. You can't get them, can you? Oh, bummer. We are done watching basketball. We got this good ant killer. Picked up this ant killer last night from Walmart. My dad recommended it. Don't understand what keeps digging right there. I'm gonna work on the rock pile from like this edge to the back and then go this way. I'm hoping maybe that once I have enough empty, I could cut it and it'll be easier to just lift it and the rocks will come. I mean, that's my hope. These plants, there's holes in the bottom of all of these pots. There's just so much rain. And oh look, little ants just having the time of their lives. Go away. And of course it's raining again. It is still raining, but I ordered this and actually one other thing that's not here yet. I think that's coming tomorrow. Paris Hilton frying pan for your eggs. This is so exciting to me when I saw this because I prefer 2 eggs. I like dippy toast or sunny side up, but I call it dippy toast. And I hate when the eggs run together. And if I'm going to be making avocado toast, I like my egg to be contained. And I have those chintzy little circles that you can use to try to keep it there, but it doesn't, it leaks out the bottom. You can't leak out of the bottom of this. Also, funny story, just because this is sitting here. This is my bin that I keep in one of the downstairs closets, the upper part, where I keep my inflatable things. So like I use this for blowing up my pool, but it's actually a USB that if I'm going floating on the river or just like to the camper or something with friends, you can blow up your tubes and inflatables using your car. And you don't have to use your mouth, which is great. I got it at Walmart. It has a couple other like really random things. Like if we go floating, something to put my phone and my keys in. I've got all my little clips so we don't break apart if we're floating down the river. I don't often use it, but if I'm going floating, I know where my bin is. It's kind of sprinkling. It's not raining as much as it was before. I'm hungry. Eggs do sound good, but I'm not hungry enough that I want to wash this. What really sounds good to me is pizza. I think I'm just gonna hop over to the grocery store and get a slice of pizza. And maybe it'll stop raining when I get back. And those look really good too, so we'll get those too. Beautiful clear skies. Cookies, pizza, mini Coke. You know, I have gardening gloves, I just don't use them. So I discovered when I was taking some rock trips that I do have some icelings that are starting to sprout in the dirt themselves or my rocky ground. So I have this one. Here's our progress we have made. And then, you know, our soup over here. But then this little guy too. Yay! I totally get why people say that you need to put catmint in pots because, like, it is excessively growing compared to everything else around here. And while I was waiting for it to stop raining, I realized I have little baby tomatoes. Cute. I'm gonna go shower for the second time today and then just chill. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for a Walmart day. I've realized that this entire outfit is Ross. Nike shirt. This is my Adidas skirt from I think 2 weeks ago. These shoes are a couple weeks ago. Ross also. Yay, Ross. A nice, peaceful Walmart Sunday. It always starts quiet until about 10 and then the church crowd comes in and it gets a little crazy. The perennial patio is looking pretty thin. Lots of roses and bushes and trees, not necessarily flowers, which is okay. I get it. We're at the end of the season. But I found something that I'm going to put in my plant in the kitchen. I get a cute little lavender. Can't remember if lavender is considered toxic to cats or not, but this is going to be somewhere where Cheyenne should not be involving herself. Fun thing about our robot litter box is it tells us how much she weighs, and she's a 10-pound cat. It's hard for her to get on counters these days, so I don't have to necessarily worry about her getting on tables and counters as long as there's no chairs next to it. Also thought about getting rhubarb, but my mom has rhubarb and we never would use it. I thought about getting strawberries too, but with the ant problem, I think that's something that maybe I'll try next year. Lots of annuals to choose from. I would like some 50% off half-dead marigolds. That would be great. Oh, those are pretty. If this was $1, I would try to save it. But $5? I don't know if I can actually save that guy. It's so cool looking though. How can I say no? They're so cute. You can just call me Plant Mom. I'm definitely gonna get some of these so I can start my own seeds next year, but we'll do that when they go on clearance. I'll just have to check back in this aisle every week. Oh look, Monica's done with work. Let's have it rain again. Thank you, Mother Nature. Well, looks like we will eat some dinner and catch up on the Chicago Sky Indiana Fever basketball game. The weather app says it's supposed to stop raining in 30 minutes. I guess we'll see. These cookies I got yesterday are super good. It's sunny, it's humid, great gardening weather, right? I'm gonna take this headband off because it's like sliding off my face. Please ignore the fact that there's lotion in my hair. I didn't feel like fixing that this morning at 6 a.m. So basically, I'm just going to cut that weed guard, fill it in with the plants that I currently have, and then continue my rock removal process. Okay, it's getting dark out here. I'll show you the progress for the day. Honestly, for how long I've been out here, I can't believe I didn't get farther. It's a little discouraging, but if I just keep doing this every single day, we'll get it done. So I've got this big old hole here. I wanted to do the entire rectangle so that I could do my purple plants right there, right on the edge. And then I decided this whole middle space, whenever I get around to digging that out, I put the catmint plants there because they are out of control, which is good, but they spread really easy. So I want to make sure that they're somewhere I don't care about, that I have 0 plants for this year. These little flowers, looking cute. Big old hole. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I left the weed guard there. In theory, the areas that I'm not doing a plant, I'm just gonna leave weed garden and maybe just a big old hole. I don't have to worry about kids or old people falling in my plant holes. Look at the stakes though that they use to put the fabric in. Like, jeepers creepers. No wonder it's so hard to get out. But I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another one. I think tomorrow I'm going to the plant nursery, an actual plant nursery with some friends. Granted, again, it's almost July, slim pickings, but it's a sale. Who can say no? Plants on sale. I cannot.